Minasan Konnichiwa. So today I am going to tell how I am the best person, best candidate to have the opportunity, the title of Speaker of the Month than everyone else. So first thing, I am having good communication skills, good IQ. I have the power to change perspectives. I have the power to develop faster than anyone else, and I have positive attitude. So you have talked so much about me, Varesh, and all others, but and you have said about one person only. I am going to say about you all. So first, Anup. So you, according to me, the best talent you have is that you don't get demotivated. You have a good EQ, according to me. So now the point of demotivating, for example, everyone discriminates you for saying you are a girl, he is your father, and example, etc., etc. So you don't get demotivated, and here the part of IQ also comes, but I have it more than you, because you have also seen because sometimes I lost to Yugal, Varesh, and Arjat Bhaiya, etc., persons. I don't show them my angerness, my jealousness, and etc., thing. But when you lose, or when you are you are in discrimination type such situation, you will show them easily. For example, in the last round only, here you act like a childish person, that you are getting annoyed and etc., thing. And now Mohit, you are a hardworking student. So first, Mohit, Yugal, and MD Sabaj, you all three are hardworking students. But since so first, listen to my points. So what is your timetable? You all have a timetable of a schedule of your day, and I don't think it's more busier than me. For example, Mohit wakes up, goes to tuition, does the homework, goes to school, then comes to this tuition after preparing, right? And then he goes to sleep after completing this tuition. And Yugal, I have also asked for Yugal. Yugal said that I go to school, then a few hours of rest, few minutes of rest, then sleeping, and after that preparation of homework and tuition, and after that this tuition, and then he completed his tuition, he will definitely go to sleep, he said that. And I don't know about the MD Savas, but according to my survey, that he will also have this type of situation schedule. But in my life, it's more harder than them. I can convey. For example, first I need to wake up early. Mohit, you don't wake up early. There is a point, because there is evening school. Okay, Yugal, I think you might get up early. I need to get up early. I need to go for a coaching of table tennis in the morning only. So I need to wake up at the 5 o'clock, prepare for my clothes school in the 6 o'clock to 7 o'clock time, and then rush to my school quickly to reach my school 7 o'clock. So I will come to my school 3 o'clock. I need to complete my tuition homework in half an hour, and after that half an hour, 3 to 3:30 to 4:30, there is a tuition. And after that, what I will do, I will complete my school homework, tuition homework, and then when I completed my tuition and school homework, the time which will left will be 6 to 7 hours, 1 hour only. And in that time, I complete my preparation of this tuition, and after my preparation, I goes to this tuition 6, 7 to 8, and after that I also study in the night also, and I don't get much time to watch phone and TV. So you don't think I have much hard working life than you. And knowledge, we all have knowledge, but you all can't convey knowledge. Confidence, you have confidence, you are too fluent, but sometimes because of your confidence only, your fluentness becomes obstacle in your speaking. And so I don't think you deserve the title of Speaker of the Month. And now about the positive attitude. So I think.
Thank you.
Thank you.